An email account is vital to the success of your business and website. An email address provides a way for visitors and customers to communicate with your business or website, to send either feedback or complaints. Responding to these customer emails shows good customer service skills and helps to build a reliable reputation. With an email account, you can engage in email marketing campaigns to strengthen your brand's online identity and to provide updates to your visitors. Our hosted Exchange emailing service is highly recommended. However, for websites on a budget, cPanel's built-in emailing service is an excellent free, cost-effective option. This video will show you how an email account can be created within cPanel. Before an email account can be created, you first must log into your web hosting account. To do this, navigate to the client area. Enter the email and password provided upon sign up to log into your account. Upon logging in, you will be met with the client dashboard. From here, navigate to the option Services. Clients that have multiple web hosting plans will need to select the plan that they wish to apply updates to. You will be brought to the web hosting service dashboard. From here, you can manage the selected web hosting package. Within Shortcuts, you can view email accounts. Select this option. This will bring you directly to the cPanel email accounts management page. From here, you can view all existing email accounts. To create an additional email account within cPanel, select the blue button with the text Create. Enter a username for your email address. We recommend that you create a support or contact us inbox at some point. Additionally, you can enter a strong password or generate one. Remember to save your generated password securely. Now select how much storage you require this inbox to have. Then select Create. Well done! Your first email account has been created. On the right hand side, you can view the amount of email accounts that you have left to create. If you require an additional account, these can be purchased. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.